Oh, that is slick. Yo! I'm just gonna set this over here. I didn't realize it was, oh, that's legit.
Well, you're unboxing an NBA 2K20.
I am unboxing an NBA 2K20 console bundle. I got a tattoo with the basketball on me. I think I'm gonna just start by gently removing the sleeve from the top. Look at that. Look at that gratuitous box shot right there. That's all you need to see. It's the Xbox One X, 1 terabyte hard drive, got 4K UHD, HDR, all that good stuff. You know it's NBA 2K20, but that console's the bad boy. And of course, yes, it is a special edition. We open it up, and let me tip it towards you. It looks like a handful of things that I need. This is what we want. Copy of NBA 2K20. Anthony Davis on the cover, wearing his Laker garb. I can tell you, once I get this bad boy loaded up, first place I'm going is into my career. You start out as a nobody, you're a rookie, you're disrespected in the locker room, you're disrespected by fans. You gotta put in the practice, put in the work to try and improve your player throughout the course of a career. It's the preseason, it's 82 games, it's the playoffs, it's all the practices that it takes to get from a lowly rookie to a superstar in the NBA. All right, so not only do I have a copy of NBA 2K20, I've also got a code for 1 month of Xbox Live Gold, which allows me to do all these great things in-game and play with my buddies online, and a code for Xbox Game Pass. I'm just waiting. It's like nervous anticipation before I open this box. Do you remember those Christmases where you would sneak and take a look at your presents before you got them? Was I the only person that did that? All right, I'm gonna pull this bad boy out of the box. Carefully, I might add. Get the foam off the sides. Oh, it's too crisp. Oh, the tape is still on. Oh, it's gonna tear. Woo, we still did it. One more at the bottom and the reveal. Yo! I'm just gonna set this over here. I didn't realize it was actually like this little spackle print. Oh, that's legit. Hey, the words in the back are magenta. Even where it says HDMI out, HDMI in. Oh, and it's on the side too. How'd y'all make that happen? Yo, this is sick. Oh yeah, this bad boy's gorgeous. All right, get into the rest of this. An HDMI cable, a power cable, but the thing I really want. I'll throw this off to the side. The controller. See, I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I'm a bit of a controller collector. Look at that. It's even got the same spackle print like on the console on the D-pad. This is slick. White triggers, white bumpers. This is clean. This is legit. You know, there have been special edition consoles before, and it's always great to see. And it's like, oh, cool, yeah, no, special edition. Like, it looks awesome. What actually drew me in was the controller, because what you rarely see are the controllers that have such a subtle change that it makes you excited about it. And for this one, it's the hyperspace look on the actual D-pad. Just this one small change. So it makes me want to get this entire bundle. I want to see what this looks like in my living room.